Jet Workflow offers many field types that addresses to different needs. In this video, we are going to explain the advanced field types. Video upload allows you to upload and play videos in the Jet server. Let's add a video upload field type in the form. This is how it looks like. You're able to upload a file from your desktop. When you're done, you're able to select on the video to watch it. Video URL allows you to upload video from an external URL. Let's add a video URL field type. This is how it looks like. You're able to enter a link from external sources such as YouTube. And there is a preview of the video in Jet. You're able to click on the video and watch it in Jet.
Jet Workflow, creating apps within minutes.